How to log in to Danske Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your device and simply search for Danske Bank. Okay, now just select the link that is on top, which is the official website of the bank. Now once you're here on the website, just select the menu option at the top right corner and select the log on option. Now let's wait for some time. This may take a while. Now once you are here, you have to enter your user ID and then simply tap on continue in order to log in. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, just select the option of forgot your user ID and then follow the procedures in order to log back in again. So this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.